brake. Yeah, see?
Welcome back to a new Eos video, because as I said, it's always something. So the Eos was on the Nürburgring the other day and did its first lap. Kelly drove it and she was not super fast because, well, the car isn't fast and it was her first lap ever. But this thing here, this puppy, this Eos puppy, decided to throw some error codes. Well, I think it threw one. We read it and it was an EGR valve error. So I'm gonna now try to see. Oh, we deleted it. Oh yeah, this is totally fixed. Anyway, we deleted it and it was fine, and on the drive home it came back. So what I'm gonna try is this thing. Joe gave me that thing and supposedly it's gonna work with my phone. So I'm gonna go in here, find the pluggy plug, plug this in and see if I can actually do something with it. Okay, I just read the codes and I cleared them. It was EGR valve again, and now it should all go away or be gone. Yep, all gone. So yeah, I'm gonna actually look into the EGR valve on this. I know where it is. I've had to deal with it on the A3 already. This one over there. Well, not with the valve itself, but with the connecting pipe that goes to the exhaust. But anyway, I'm gonna look into that and then see what comes out of that. I might just be replacing that in the future. Who knows? We'll see when it comes back and what my research says and take it from there. So, welcome back at the Eos. The problem is the EGR error code came back the next drive. So it's not gone, it's not solved, it's not just vanished. So I'm gonna try to actually do something else. And that's gonna be happening down there under the hood. So let's get in it. Okay, so this is the EGR valve, and well, it's supposedly not that difficult to replace. There's one bolt down here, one down here, and one on the underside in the middle. Plus, you need to remove these two pipes, which are two Allen keys, 5mm each, and then basically, obviously, those two hoses here in the back and the plug on the top. But what I'm going to do right now is actually just going to remove the plug. Can I do that one-handed? Come on. Maybe. No. Okay. Hold on a second. Okay, back with the tool, which should make this a lot easier. Yeah. Well, two hands would make it easier, but hey. Everybody can do two hands, right? There we go. Plop. That's off. Let's take this out of here for now. Just to get it a bit out of the way. There we go. No, out of the way, I said. Thank you. Now, what I'm going to do, instead of removing the entire valve, is I'm going to take the lid off. Because I found out that underneath this, there's a bunch of plastic gears actuating the valve, and apparently the main plastic gear just likes to strip some teeth. That is usually a reason. There's usually a reason for that. That is the valve being dirty and stuck at some point. But the gear, the plastic gear, also isn't used actually a full 360 degree. It's only used like, I don't know, like 180 or something, if that. Which means you can just flip it around. If it has like stripped bits on one side, flip it around and use the other side. So I'm gonna take this off completely and then we'll have a look at the gears. Okay, all the screws are out. I'm just gonna be trying to be very gentle, getting this up. Oh, there we go. Okay, I guess it's not that problem, because obviously the gears are intact. come on. Okay, that's one side. Oh yeah, see? It's just springing back. Okay. There's one side, and that's the other side. As we can see, the gears aren't stripped, so that is not the problem. Do we have any... maybe some corrosion here? Not really. Some on the outside of the gasket. This looks okay. Well, this part on the top, unfortunately, looks okay. So, yeah. I might have to actually just replace this. I'm gonna actuate it a few times by hand just to see what happens, but I don't think that's gonna be solving the problem. So yeah, I'm gonna put this back together and then we'll have to take it from there. Yeah, so I checked the gears, I checked the connectors in here, I checked the connections in there, I checked those two pins here, and I can't see any corrosion of any kind. Everything looks fine, so it might just be the valve itself and inside that's not moving properly, although it feels fine. I actuated it a couple of times, but it seems fine. So I'm not sure why it's throwing that error code, but I'm gonna now go get that dongle again and try to delete the code again, and then we'll see how quick it comes back. And then I might have to actually replace this thingy here, this lovely little piece of something. Oh well, moving on.